You finally get the money to buy some new clothes. Sometimes it's shoes, sometimes it's pants. But I feel like I can speak for almost all of us when I say that the pieces that we wear up top is what we dump most of our fashion budget into. But even though shirts make up the majority of our wardrobe, why do we often find ourselves not being able to make a good outfit with them? And then we start to question if they were even as cool as we once thought when they were in our shopping carts. Having one nice piece of clothing is not the answer to making a good outfit. Just like how adding chromed out wheels isn't gonna make a 20-year-old rundown car look any newer. Take this shirt for example. This is one of my favorite shirts in my wardrobe from Y3. Absolutely beautiful. But what if I style it like this? Kinda gross, right? It doesn't matter how great the shirt looks. Wearing it with these pants and these shoes is absolutely disgraceful. However, if I style it like this, now that's a cool shirt. Starting to get the picture? It's not your shirt's fault, it's the way that you style them. Or rather, how you used to style them, because after experimenting with multiple styles, aesthetics, and silhouettes, I can pretty confidently demonstrate some of my secrets on how to make any shirt look good. Step 1. Never let your shirt be the biggest part of your outfit. They can make up the most of your closet, but not for any individual fit. By now you've probably heard of the rule of thirds. Like, every fashion creator has covered this. And I mean every fashion creator. But if you haven't, basically, 1/3 shirt, 2/3 pants and shoes. The reasoning? Good proportions, appear taller, looks good. But my 2 cents is, this is true, but not fully. 1/3 and 2/3 look great, yes. But I think it's fine even if you want to get closer to 50-50. Again, the point is to never let your torso section be larger than your lower body. As long as your bottom portion makes up 50 to 70% of your outfit, you'll be alright. Number 2, the cool pants theory. If no one has coined this term already, I'm making it my own. Say you have a shirt that looks really cool by itself, but it's just really hard to style with everything else in your wardrobe. Pairing it with pants that are interesting enough to draw less attention towards your shirt, or make it look more cohesive together will be the best case scenario. Being a Uniqlo warrior and having a girlfriend that loves giving me cute t-shirts, my wardrobe has developed an entire section of pieces like this one. And I could just ignore them and just wear other shirts that are easier to style, which is basically what I do 90% of the time. But instead, let's throw on this pair of trousers. Now the attention is drawn more towards the pants and makes the shirt look less tacky. We could also do something like this where the shirt stands out and the pants aren't super eye-catching, but still have a shape interesting enough to pull the outfit together. Number 3, tuck it in. This kind of ties into number 1, but if you do have a shirt that you really like but it's just a little bit too long or doesn't fit as expected, tuck it in. Tucking isn't just to make your fit look cleaner and more sophisticated, it's literally a way to manipulate your top to conform better to your pants. This way you can clearly identify where the dividing line is, and then use it to your advantage by either adhering to better body proportions or creating a more uniform look altogether. And there are so many different tucks that you can do depending on both your aesthetic and, more importantly, your preference. Full tuck, half tuck, French tuck, side tuck. It really is up to you which one you think looks best for your outfit. And finally, number 4, dom or sub. Okay, hold on, this ain't anything freaky, alright? But understanding what role your shirt plays can be very important on making your shirt look good. Dominant means your shirt is your main upper piece and wants to be highlighted. You're intentionally wearing that shirt because that's what you want to stand out. On the other hand, subordinate means it's complementary. A smaller piece to a bigger puzzle. This could be because it's an underlayering piece or just a canvas for other things to be added on like jewelry or other accessories. Take this shirt for example. I think it looks sick as its own highlight piece. It conforms to my pants well and overall just looks good. But when I throw a jacket over it, not my favorite thing in the world, right? And you guys might argue that the jacket just doesn't work with the outfit, but if that's the case, all the more reason to just wear the shirt by itself. Now take this other shirt. Nice shape, but no design or anything too bold, right? There's nothing wrong with it by itself, as more often than not, less is more. But alternatively, this is a perfect canvas to be painted on with either another layering piece, jewelry, accessories, whatever, right? Point is, it's better to know when it is better and when it's not as needed to add something to your top layer. And that's pretty much all that I got for you today. If you watched this entire video, I genuinely want to thank you for watching one of my first ever videos on this channel. If you're new here or just haven't heard of me, my name is Austin and I'm a fashion creator that promotes experimentation and just creativity in all aspects of this space. I started my journey on TikTok then Instagram, and I'm very humbled to have everyone who has joined so far to have loved and supported my content to this day. And I finally thought it was time to bring my efforts into YouTube where I can go more in depth with my yapping and just overall develop a deeper connection with you all. So if you enjoyed the video or any of this helped you at all, it would really mean a lot if you gave this video a like, subscribed, and drop a comment on what you think helped you the most. As always, thank you all again for watching. Stay safe and much love.